world of property management, staying ahead of market trends, optimizing pricing strategies, and streamlining leasing processes are critical to success. Yet these tasks often rely on time-consuming manual reporting and intuition-based decisions. What if there was a way to make this easier, faster, and more precise? Enter the Copilot Agent, a transformative decision support tool designed specifically for property managers. By leveraging real-time data insights, the Copilot Agent empowers you to make smarter, data-driven decisions across pricing, leasing, and market trends. Imagine having dynamic pricing insights at your fingertips. The Copilot Agent compares your current unit pricing with local market comps, alerts you to discrepancies, and recommends adjustments based on demand and historical leasing patterns. Leasing performance tracking is another area where the Copilot Agent excels. By integrating data from your CRM and property management system, it highlights bottlenecks in the leasing funnel and suggests actionable strategies. Additionally, the Copilot Agent provides comprehensive market trend analysis, identifying shifts in rental demand, tracking competitor pricing and amenities, and forecasting impacts of economic or seasonal changes. Behind the scenes, the Copilot Agent integrates seamlessly with your data sources and utilizes advanced language models to deliver interactive and actionable insights. This means you save time on manual reporting, make informed decisions quickly, and stay ahead of the competition with predictive, forward-looking insights. The Copilot Agent isn't just a tool. It's a partner in transforming the way you manage properties, equipping you with the knowledge and precision to optimize every aspect of your operations. Embrace the future of property management with the Copilot Agent and lead your business to new heights. Let HingePoint help with your AI initiative. We will collaborate with your team to guide the implementation of a custom AI solution tailored to your data and specific business needs. HingePoint empowers organizations to unlock the full potential of Microsoft technologies, including SharePoint, Power Platform, Copilot Studio, and Microsoft Teams, to drive operational efficiency, collaboration, and data-informed decision-making. With a focus on scalable architecture and best practices, we design and implement tailored solutions that align with each client's unique business goals. Having partnered with over 300 companies nationwide, HingePoint delivers enterprise-grade results across a wide range of industries and business sizes, from agile startups to large-scale enterprises.